Welcome to Compare Plans. In this video, we'll walk through how to use Compare Plans, what key insights and comparison tools are available, and how to use the AI insights. Let's get started. Compare Plans allows you to select two plans you'd like to compare side by side. You can select from any plan you've already saved to your Analysis Hub. If you've not already saved any plans to your Analysis Hub, please be sure to do so in order for you to select them to compare against one another. Begin by selecting the two plans you'd like to compare and select the Compare Selected Plans button. This will then compare the two plans for roughly 20 seconds before showing you the results. Once the comparison is complete, you'll now be able to see the results between the two plans. Scrolling down the page, you'll be able to see all the key insights and comparisons, and if you click on any of the particular cards, it'll show you the results on the graph. You can also view the key inputs that are different about the plans. By clicking Plan Comparison Inputs button, you'll be able to view the 12 key categories that Optiml reviews to flag what's different between the two plans. AI Insights is a powerful tool that gives you the ability to do your own deep dive. Here you can talk with Optiml's AI Eva, asking it any questions you have about the two plans, and Eva will look at all the data between the two plans and give you the information you're looking for. Whether you want to look at high-level information, like what are the top 3 differences between the two plans, or you're asking about a specific account, specific withdrawal strategy, or a specific year, Eva's able to extract that information and give you the insights you're looking for. Anytime you want to review different plans, simply click Compare Different Plans, select the two plans you'd like to review, and select Compare Plans to begin a new comparison.